Well, good morning, everybody. It is week 5, September 15th. And we're going to hit the ground running. When you walk in or when you're done with this video, you need to grab this book. That's today and tomorrow. You're going to need the book. Also, in the black tray, there's a copy of the study guide for the entire module, all 4 lessons. Speaking of lessons, today and tomorrow, we're going to cover Lesson 4, Gravitational Force, which really deals with Newton's law of universal gravitation, which states that all objects in the universe attract each other. Okay, not attraction, but the gravitational force between them. The strength of that attraction depends on the mass of both objects and the distance between them. The mass and the distance affects gravity. We're going to look at that more in depth this week. If you'll notice above you on the screen and hopefully on your computer, you have, well, if you open this video, you clearly got there. Our learning target is I can describe gravitational force as an attractive force between objects that depends on their mass and distance, and explain how it affects motion on Earth and in space. Remember, your mass is always the same. Your weight's going to be different. Now, when we're looking at objects on Earth and objects in space, they are all attracting everything else. We're going to talk about that more this week. Our success criteria are 4, and here they are. You can also open those and read them. I can define gravitational force in my own words. We're going to learn that today. I can explain how mass and distance affect gravity. We're going to learn a little about that today and tomorrow. And I can model or graph gravitational force in simple scenarios. We're going to do that tomorrow. We're going to look at graphs that show how mass and distance affect gravity. And we can easily, when we have 2 variables, we can easily plot those on a graph. And finally, I can connect gravity to real-world examples like falling objects, planets orbiting, etc. We're going to get a chance to look at that actually today. So, remember your vocab is due on Friday. We have a test next Tuesday, I believe that is September 21st. No. September 23rd. Again, in the black tray in the front in Carl, you need to get a copy of the study guide for Module 1, which is Forces and Motion. Those of you that are retaking your quiz on from last Friday, this is the information that you can have. A lot of you take notes, and that's great. Use those notes to study. Use this information here. You can file these in your daily file or files by hour, and then on Friday I'm going to give you all of that stuff to take home. Of course, you can file this on your own. Just don't lose it. You won't get another copy. Well, I think we've covered everything. I actually did this video once this morning, and it didn't record somehow. But our 5-minute break is Mission Impossible theme, Mission Impossible. And it will be an impossible mission to get to the 5-minute break if we are not staying on track. So please come in. It's Monday. Get this stuff done so that we can get to our lesson and then get to our break and then get back to our lesson as a wrap up for today. And tomorrow will be pretty much the same. Same schedule. Okay. I think that's it. Hey, don't forget, Thursday evening, I fill the candy jar. Okay? That's my contribution. There's about $6 in here, so $5 more. If we can find that today, we can get the candy jar filled tomorrow, or tonight, for tomorrow. So if you want to see candy in there, start putting your quarters, nickels, pennies, and dimes in there. It adds up quickly. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. And as always, for week 5, stay silent.